Do you want to know what our new online courses are all about? They're about your ideal life. Imagine a time in the near future when you feel self-confident, have stable moods, a sharp brain, clear thoughts, a healthy weight, a robust immune system, and your presence is valued by your colleagues. And they're thinking, hey, I want whatever you're having. It is possible to nourish your way to success in your career. And then, how about this? Return home at the end of the day and still have enough energy and vitality to give to your family and friends, to actively listen to them, to communicate with them, and to show up as your best self. Imagine being able to learn about improving your mental and physical health, to be inspired from your desk, your home, your car, your iPhone, at your own pace, save time, save money on your health and nutrition, and improve your career performance. And the other bonus, of course, is I will provide you with a certificate for your continuing professional development points, CPD, or some may call it CE points. Some of you might be thinking, why do these online programs that Michelle has created, called the Science of Workplace Wellbeing, work? Why? Because I've worked with thousands of clients over the last 15 years on our Lifestyles of Leaders programs and more. I love research. I love ease. You can read more about how my workshops have helped change the lives of real clients with real issues just like yours. I can't wait to help you improve your professional and your personal journey.